guys! Welcome back to another video! So, for today, ang gagawin ko is healthy shake. So, alam naman natin na mahirap pakainin yung mga kids natin ng fruits and vegetables. So, ang ituturo ko today is healthy shake para mapakain natin ng healthy, para mapakain natin ng fruits yung mga chikiting natin. I have here carrots, which is good in vitamin A and antioxidant, and then lemon, vitamin C, then apples. So this is believed to fight several types of cancer. Antioxidant-rich apples may very well be to keeping the doctor away. They are also helpful in fighting heart disease, weight gain, and high cholesterol. The fiber contained in apples is vital in preventing cholesterol reabsorption. So yan, simulan na natin at ang gagamitin ko pala is itong NutriBullet. Yeah. The NutriBullet has the power to unlock the hidden nutrition inside the food we eat. Many of the essential elements within our food cannot be accessed by juicing, blending, or chewing alone. To access the super nutrition, the phytonutrients inside the seeds, skins, and stems of the foods we eat, the cell walls need to be ruptured. And when they are, we get 3 times the nutrition from eating the very same foods we are eating right now. So, this is very helpful for us moms na nahihirapan na pakain yung kids natin ng fruits. So, the NutriBullet makes all of this super nutrition available for effortless absorption by your body. So, with the NutriBullet, you can unlock the gold mine of zinc and magnesium inside watermelon seeds and the cancer-blocking compounds inside broccoli, cabbage, and kale, all of which you would miss unless the cell walls were ruptured. So, kailangan talaga nating i-shake para makuha natin lahat ng nutrients. So, meron silang pocket nutritionists. So, dito nandito yung mga benefits ng mga fruits and greens. So, yun. Ito siya. Yan. Ito yung kanyang ito yung mga blades niya. Water na siya. So, let's start. Lalagay na ako ng carrots. Ayan. And then, yung apples. So, ilalagay ko na lahat kasi marami kaming iinom nito. Then, yung lemon natin. Bigyan din natin siya ng ice. Ang kagandahan nito is kaya niyang mag-grind ng ice na malalaki, like ito, ganito kalaki. Ito muna. Okay, So let's shake, shake, shake. Liquid talaga siya. So, naging liquid talaga siya. Ayan. Drink the ice cream. Wow! Drink na, drink ice cream. Drink, drink. Drink. Cheers, cheers. Cheers.